Good afternoon, madlang people. I'm Christopher Diwata, Taylor Lautner from Pag-asa, Orion, Bataan.
Taylor
Taylor! Hey!
Taylor.
Taylor! How's Maui?
Kanina, Maui and Sal. Oh my God.
Gusto ko yun,
Ang witty mo, Brad. Brad, witty mo,
Patay mo muna yung Hari ng Tundo.
Welcome, Taylor Lautner.
Taylor, is it Lautner or Lautner? How do you pronounce your last name?
Lautner.
What?
Lautner.
Lautner.
Lautner?
Lautner.
Lautner, British rolling down.
Maynila yun,
Just
lockdown.
like English.
Lockdown.
Lautner.
Lotto.
Ay, nakawig talaga.
Sa top.
Sa top yan, lockdown.
Is it
Lautner.
Lautner or Lautner?
Lautner.
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 Taylor Lautner. So,
Lautner.
how's the Philippines? How's your visit here in the Philippines? How is it? The Philippines.
I'm so excited to
To be here? You're already here.
Oh, French model na to
You're ready.
ngayon.
First of all, thank you for having me here, and
Yeah.
and I'm so excited to see all of my fans here.
So are
in
you
the Philippines.
excited?
Nasabi niyo na kanina excited nga daw
Eh kasi
siya.
nga, baka excited na
What,
siya.
Dadagan ka na.
what makes you so excited?
Oh my God.
Oh,
Alamang steps! Alamang steps!
Siyempre,
Oy, alam din namin yun eh.
pag performers ka, alam mo yung evolution of dance. My God.
Di nyo alam!
Ano yun eh?
Hindi kayo performer! Ang
Oy,
alam mo,
pronoun
ballet,
na
puro
yan sa
ganun-ganun.
atin eh.
Ganun-ganun, may sa unggoy.
Parang Donkey Kong ang dating nito.
tapos si Kay, pag napila yun, mag-heels.
Tapos sasabihin, masakit pa.
Uy, nandito pala si Taylor Lautner.
Ay, I'm sorry. So,
Taylor
So,
Lautner.
are you
It's okay.
excited?
Yeah.
Sabay-sabay kayo doon ah.
ang saya nating
Okay.
tatlo.
Tayo lang. 1, 2, 3.
Okay lang ba?
Oy, kaya si Julius Mama. oh.
Wala na daw tanong. Mas ipakita mo.
Taylor, it's your question. Answer it at home.
Taylor, good luck. Mas ipakita mo pang tono. Ang gulo pang Taylor Lautner. Good luck!
All you Twilight followers out there, give it up for Christopher Diwata of Orion, Bataan, a.k.a. Taylor Lautner.
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fade to me.
Okay lang.
Edward!
Koy lang.
What are you doing here?
Hapuchikik.
I trust you to protect Bella, but you did not.
What Twilight?
I will show you die, Edward.
Chiniko.
I will show you die. From now on, she is mine.
Sayang naman
And I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I only love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all alone, I believe I will find you. The time has brought you hard to me. I only love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Yes! Chayla!
Chiniko. Okay lang.
Wala talagang bandang girls.
Ang taray ng brief highways, oh. Papunta na sa turtleneck. O, ayun naman siya, masaya ba kayo dyan with Kuya Kim at the people?